Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you how to connect Bluetooth phone. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Now this is quite easy to do. You will have to use these menu buttons on the dashboard. Now to access the Bluetooth menu, first you want to press this large phone button, and now you have to scroll down to phone settings. You can do that by turning this knob. So pretty much turning this knob is up and down, and pressing this knob in, it's okay. So press this knob, okay, phone settings, and now scroll down to pair a device. And now once you've done that, you will get a code displayed on a screen, and now you can continue your pairing process on the phone. So I will continue this video by recording the screen of my phone. Okay, so on the phone, first you want to enable the Bluetooth by clicking onto the Bluetooth icon. And this will get you to the Bluetooth menu. Now you want to scroll all the way down under the available devices. Now it's still searching for it, but this will be the one which is getting device name. Okay, it's Chevy Equinox. You want to press onto that one, and now it's pairing to the vehicle. And now double check if your passkey matches the passkey, the confirmation number on the dashboard screen. If it is, press pair. And that's pretty much everything. This is how you can connect your Chevy Equinox. Now it's gonna ask you a couple of questions. If you want to allow access to your phone book, to your contacts, you can say yes or no. I denied it. And that's pretty much it. And here you can see top of the list, Chevy Equinox connected for calls and audio. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.